welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is the first time watching my channel. So I am trying to make over my room, but unfortunately because of the corona it has been on hold for a really long time. But I was able to order some stuff for my closet, which I'm really excited. I ordered last month from Ikea and it finally came in all my stuff. So you can see it's a big box, and then those two things, I don't know what stuff. I mean, I know what I bought, but I'm kind of confused about it. But yeah, today's Thursday. I do have work tomorrow. So Saturday, I'm going to put the stuff together. Going to clean my closet. I already kind of cleaned out my closet, but I might do some more cleaning out. Say hi to Teddy and the baby. So welcome to my closet makeover. I hope you enjoy. Oh. Hi. Okay, so I just wanted to show you a before. I think I'm going to try to take this door out so I can do the whole thing. I'm too lazy to get up, so this is the other side of my closet. I'm gonna put these under my bed. Oh my god, now I'm feeling overwhelmed right now because I have to put all this crap together. Oh my god, you know what I'm gonna do? I know what I'm gonna do. I'm going to put this stuff together Friday night, maybe, depending. I should drink while I put it together. That would be fun, but I might not. No. Okay, we'll have a drink. We'll just have one drink. First we'll have dinner, then we'll have a drink while we put this together. That way I stay calm and cool. Because putting Ikea stuff together is not really fun. But I think hopefully the stuff that I bought isn't too complicated. So yes, I ended up opening the boxes anyways, even though I wanted to wait, and I made a big mess. They had a lot of paper in there, and actually some stuff did get damaged, but I don't want to deal with that. And Ikea is not open, so I mean nothing's broken. Everything was still usable, so I was like, forget it, it's gonna be in the closet anyways. Stuff that was tiring. Now I'm tired. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is my face when I can hear my brother stream on Twitch. Throw these out. I still have one more box, but I'm gonna keep it in the box, which means I will have to put these together tonight. I can do it, you know. I'm gonna go put the boxes in the trash, go get a drink, and put this together. So wish me luck. This is from Truly. This is passion fruit, and we're going to put 2 of these things together. So wish me luck. It looks like I was outside all day, but I wasn't. I just put a lot of blush on. But look at them freckles. Alright guys, so all done. I'm super excited. So this is actually 2 pieces. I stacked this one on top. I'm gonna be using that for shoes in here because I have shoes that I love, but they get dusty because I don't wear them that often. So I'm gonna keep them in here. And I don't have a lot of shoes. I don't really like to have too many shoes because my closet is so small and I just don't want to feel overwhelmed with stuff that my room just can't fit. So most of my clothes are foldable, so a lot of them are going to be coming off the hanger. I'm going to fold them in here in these baskets. They're a pretty good size. It's pretty deep, so I'm not too sure what I'm going to put in this basket. I might be putting, I'm thinking like, yeah, I honestly don't know. And I think I'm going to get a like jewelry box thing or whatever to put it on here just so I can slide it like in and out. That's what she said. So I went ahead and I removed the sliding mirror door in my room. I decided not to put it back after I'm done. I'm gonna go ahead and put curtains up here, and before we move out I will replace the door, but for now it's just gonna be like this. I'm gonna be painting some spots up here to make it like super nice. So I'm gonna take everything out, clean and paint, and start organizing. I painted my closet. It's not perfectly painted, but it's all right. I'm just gonna kind of do a little bit of touch-ups, and then I'm going to clean the floor because I dropped some paint, and I'm gonna let it dry and go eat. So the clothes that were in my closet before, I went ahead and separated them. So the pile over here is a pile where I'm gonna be folding my clothes, and then this pile is gonna be hanging up. I am gonna go through my clothes one more time because I did see some pieces in there that I am not wearing anymore. So I don't want to take up too much space with hanging up my clothes. I do want majority of my clothes folded. The ones that are hung up are dresses and nice stuff for work. So here's a quick progress on my closet. I went ahead and hung up all the clothes I wanted hung, and I did a lot of folding after this. So I just wanted to give you, I guess, a money saving hack if you are remodeling or, you know, reorganizing, redoing your closet or whatever, and you're thinking I need more hangers. No, check yourself first before you go out and spend money on new hangers. My mom came in my room earlier saying she needed more hangers, she needs to go buy. I'm like, hold up, wait a minute. No, you don't. I got all these hangers here waiting for you. You don't have to go buy more hangers. I think she just wanted to go shopping, but not today, honey. Alright guys, so here's just a reminder of how my closet looked before. And here is my new beautiful organized closet. I absolutely loved how it came out, how clean and organized it looks, and how open it is without that ugly sliding mirror door. Okay, so let me give you a quick closet tour. Let me show you what I've done and how I organized it. So up here on the shelf, those 2 boxes, this one is my blow dryer, and that has curling iron and my flat iron. In this box I have jewelry, but later on I'm going to go ahead and put like a jewelry tray right underneath here. So here are all my clothes nicely hung up. Up here I put up stuff that I use on a daily basis, and including hair products, brushes, combs. I got this at Target. I can't remember the price of it. I'll try to put it below in the description box. In this box here, I have hair clips and bobby pins and hair ties. So I put my shoes in here. Behind there, those are my boots, and since it's not raining anymore, it's not cold, they're just gonna be back there. But these are my tools, and now they won't get dusty anymore. Let me show you how I organize my baskets here. So the top one has my undies, and then I have 2 trays of socks because I have these fluffy socks and I love wearing them to bed, especially after I've taken a shower. And then below here are like hair accessories and scarves and whatever. On top I have my t-shirts and tank tops. So the folding method I used was by Marie Kondo. Her folding method, I'm not that good at it right now. I'm still practicing, but I'll put a link of her video in the description box to show you what video I went off by. So here are my jeans, I have shorts and leggings, like workout pants I don't work out in. And then this has my bras, and the last one is like seasonal stuff, so it has like thicker sweaters that I'm not wearing right now, so they're folded up so they don't take up too much space here in my closet. Thank you so much everyone for watching my video. I'm hoping it motivated you and inspired you to clean and organize any of your spaces at your house. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, please like and subscribe and let me know below in the comments. Love you. Bye.